Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. It is morning today. I'm having my breakfast because I haven't, and it is 9:16 in the morning. I'm gonna have some yogurt, some strawberries, and some granola. Delish. But today it has been a crazy week because it has been first week of school, and I have been up and down going to stores and everything just to get my kids all their materials they need for school, and it has been rough, a really rough week. But it is Friday. You guys are gonna see it on Monday, but it is Friday today. I just cleaned my inside of my car. I am so sweaty. I wanted a break. I was like, I have to have breakfast, and I just want to do my nail art. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but just keep on watching. You'll find out. So I just picked my colors. I'm gonna eat my delicious breakfast while I do my nail art. And we're gonna start with a base coat. For the base color, I will be using Pink Noise from Orly. Now, using a sponge and the Orly Pink Noise that we just used and icing from Cake Polish, we're gonna dab it on our nails. The pink is gonna be on the bottom and the hollow is gonna be on top. And we're just gonna dab. Obviously, if you want to protect your nails, go right ahead. No, that didn't work like I wanted to. Now I'm just gonna use the hollow color just to see how it goes. Just gonna add it on a corner right here. And I'm just gonna dab it on. See how it looks. That's a little bit better. I'm gonna let it dry and add a little bit more afterwards to see how it looks, if it could intensify that color. Let's try this again. Alright, that looks a little bit better. I think that looks a little bit better. And let it dry. So I just added a top coat to my nails. Forgot to film it. But this is a super cute, easy look. But we are not done yet. So let this fully dry and we'll be back. So I was thinking of using some nail vinyls. I put mine inside this little bag that I used to get on Ipsy. But I don't know. Let me see. I got some nail stickers here, some nail vinyls, some nail gems, 3D stickers. I've had these for a long time. Triangles. I don't know. Stars. Circles. I haven't seen these in a while. Or some of these. I want obviously the color underneath to show. These look cute. Ooh. Probably those. Let's check. Oh, these are cute too, the flowers. I'll use that afterwards. Yeah, I guess I'll use this one right here. Let me put this away. I need somewhere else to put these. Oops. Now that my nails are fully dry, hopefully it's dry enough that it won't be peeled back. But we're gonna add, first of all, I'm using the color Desert Rose from Orly. Get that ready on the side. There you go. Hopefully it doesn't go everywhere. And then I'm gonna peel it, right? Oh gosh. Just dreading this. Wait, let me just, there you go. Oh my god. Did you see it got ruined right there? Okay, let me just take a little bit of acetone and just pass it through. Just like that. Clean the area up. Just a little bit. And I don't know what happened in that corner. But there you go. Let me just, you know what? Let me use the same one for here. Why not? There's some space there. Press it on. Let's do it again. Oh gosh, no. I'm just gonna take, let me just get it. Grab a cotton ball, dunk it in acetone, like enough acetone, and just wipe it off. You know what? That didn't work either. Well, let me do this all over again. And I'm gonna wait until it dries. But meanwhile, let me use this again. Let's see if it works now. I'm gonna put it on my finger right there. Again, press it down enough. Let's see if it doesn't smudge or nothing like that. Let me see if it doesn't smudge. Oh gosh, that was horrible. Let me see if I could fix it. Probably not. Look at that, it doesn't look that bad. That bad is the problem. It's horrible, but I'm gonna leave it like that. Because why not? That means I need a new one. And let me put this on my... Okay, let me just put it right there. Sure, why not? Probably if I sponge it on, it wouldn't go everywhere. Alright, that one came out nicer. Now let's just wait for this finger shirt. And this one, see, this is, I don't know. Today is not my day. Then I'm gonna do it again. Still wet, but I'm in a hurry. I got the things to do, so I'm just gonna finish. Right there, add a top coat on it. And since these don't want to work, they're gonna stay plain, just like that. Let me just finish with the top coat on the other ones. Here are the final results. I'm finally done after 2 mistakes. But here is what they look like. I hope you guys enjoy this nail art. And make sure and remember to subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!